Today we're going to look at the Pineider Arco Desert Beetle fountain pen, and this is a limited edition. The box is an ivory color with the Pineider logo on top. You open up the outer box and slide out the box inside. And the Pineider boxes are an interesting shape, which it's always fun to see something different. They do have the Pineider logo again on the top here, embossed there. And it's kind of like a leather feel and a really deep green color. I might be imagining that. It might be a gray black. Anyway, I'll have to ask somebody to confirm that for me. So you open the box up like so, just folds out, which is cool. And it gives you a really cool, nice display actually. And you've got the logo alone up top here on this top portion, and then you got the logo and name down here on the bottom portion. And this is all has like a slight cushion on all these pieces, just I think as an additional protection in case your pin were to come loose, but your pin is snugly fit right in here. And we're just going to go ahead and look at the pin. This is your Pineider Arco Desert Beetle fountain pen. You have a resin body and is in different shades of green mixed with some lighter white areas in the resin here. This particular design, it features a resin that was purposefully created to mimic the look of celluloid. And they did that by creating multiple layers of the material with different stratifications, and it is really, really pretty. The end result is really pretty. And in doing so, they also created a resin that is very strong. On the cap, you can see the Pineider name, the classic feather-inspired clip with that really, really beautiful curvature. At the bottom of your cap, you have a silver section with the Pineider name. And on the back, I love that this is on the back. It has engraved and it says, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. That is intriguing. I like that because it reminds me of my mom. Apparently it was just a common way to practice your typing skills, if I remember correctly. That's what she told me. And she may have made that up for me, but that's what she said. Okay, so you have your popular magnetic cap. The pin is fitted with a 14 karat gold nib, and the magnetic cap works both when posted and when closing the pin. So that's a nice aspect of this pin. I like that the design is thorough like that. Also, you can see that the Pineider Arco features this different, unique ink viewing window, which is cool. And it is a piston filler, so you can just see the ink filling when you're using your piston filler. The piston knob is back here on the end, and so you just twist the black section here. The number of your pin is on the bottom of the barrel, and they're limited to 888 pens of each color. And you do have a black resin section, which includes that ink window. And I like the shape of this section. It makes it really clear where your grip should be, and I like it. There's no slipping. And that section, the black resin is also on this. The same black resin is featured in the piston knob. So this is your 14 karat gold Pineider nib, and it is branded with the logo and name there. And it has some beautiful detail. And it does designate right on there, quill nib, 14 karat. Let's get a look at the back side so you can see the whole feed system. better look at the resin material that they very carefully and thoroughly generated to look like celluloid without any of the issues of celluloid. Now let's see what comes with your pen. Okay, so this is your Pineider Arco Desert Beetle. If you want more information, check it out at pinchly.com.